All right. So the next example we're looking at here, so we've got a rectangle here, we've got the length and the width, and it says find the expression that represents the perimeter. If x equals 3, what is the perimeter? Okay, so we've kind of got two things we're doing here. So let's just start with the first one. Find the expression that represents the perimeter. Okay, so we need to know what perimeter is and how to find the perimeter in order to even go about answering this question. Okay, so the perimeter of any shape is the distance around all the sides. Okay, so if when we try to find the perimeter of something, we're looking for what all the sides, in this case, what all four sides add up to. Okay, well, luckily in our case, we have what the length and the width are. It tells us. Okay, so I'm gonna fill that in. I've got 2x plus 4, and then that's your length, and my width says x plus 5. Okay, so then since this is a rectangle, we know that if this up here is 2x plus 4, then that means this distance down here on the bottom is also 2x plus 4. Okay, same thing over here. If this width is x plus 5, that means this over here is also x plus 5. Okay, so just like we said, if we're finding the perimeter of something, we're adding all four sides together. Okay, so I'm going to write out all four of those sides, right? So the first side was 2x plus 4. Okay, so that's that, plus this side, which is x plus 5, plus the next one, which is 2x plus 4, plus the last one, which is x plus 5. Okay, so now this is just like what we were doing yesterday. We're adding the polynomials. So when we add polynomials, we combine like terms. So I've got 2x plus a 1x plus another 2x plus another 1x. So if I combine all those like terms, 2x plus 1x plus 2x plus 1x is going to give me 6x. Then we add, so mark all those out. We added those together. Now I've got all these constants. So 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 is going to give me 18. Okay, so that's part one. That's find the expression that represents the perimeter. That's my perimeter. Okay, because that's an expression. It can't be simplified any further. So 6x plus 18 is my perimeter. So, but then it takes it a step further and it asks, if x is equal to 3, what is the perimeter? So in this case, what we're going to do is, okay, we have an x in our expression. Okay, so it's saying if this unknown amount here was 3, what would the perimeter be? So we're going to substitute in this x equals 3 for the x in our expression. So remember, the coefficient of the variable, those are multiplying. Okay, so that's like 6 times x. So instead of x, though, we're replacing it with a 3. Then finish out your expression with the plus 18. So then we would do order of operations here, right? Order of operations tells us to multiply first. So 6 times 3 is 18. Bring the other 18 down. So the last thing we do is we add. So 18 plus 18 gives us 36. So if x equals 3, perimeter equals 30.